Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh pasta, step by step. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Having all your ingredients ready is key for a smooth process. DiGiovanni often uses 00 flour, which is finely ground and creates a smooth, pliable dough. You'll also need fresh eggs, ideally at room temperature, and a little salt to bring out the flavors. These simple components are the foundation of delicious homemade pasta. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Start by mounding your flour on a clean work surface and creating a well in the center. Pour your eggs and salt into this well. Using a fork, gently whisk the wet ingredients, slowly pulling in small amounts of flour from the sides. Once a thick paste forms, switch to your hands. Knead the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes, using the heel of your hand until it becomes smooth and elastic. After kneading, your dough needs to relax. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This resting period helps the gluten relax, making the dough easier to roll. Next, divide your dough into smaller, manageable portions. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each piece until it's very thin, ideally about 1/16 of an inch thick. Dust with flour as needed to prevent sticking. With your pasta sheets rolled, it's time to cut them into your favorite shapes, whether that's fettuccine, tagliatelle, or another style. Dust the cut pasta with a little semolina flour to prevent it from sticking together. Bring a large pot of heavily salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and stir gently. Fresh pasta cooks incredibly fast, typically in just 1 to 3 minutes, or until it floats to the surface and is al dente.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.